Hello students, good morning. I am Prem Gupta, your English teacher. Dear students, in the previous classes we were discussing the chapter 8 of English grammar, that is preposition. Just see preposition, the relation showing words. Dear students, in this chapter we have read the definition of preposition with example, and we have also read the kinds of preposition. There are three kinds of preposition we have read in this chapter: preposition of time, preposition of position, or preposition of place, and that is preposition of direction. Dear students, we have also completed the exercise first, which is given at the page number 36 of your English grammar book. Just say students, first exercise first has been completed, and come to the another exercise, that is second exercise. What is the exercise? In this exercise you have to fill the blank with suitable preposition. Dear students, that is filling the blanks. You have to fill the suitable words, suitable preposition, choosing from the brackets. Dear students, there are two options given in the brackets, and from that option there is only one correct that you have to fill in the given blanks of this exercise. Okay students, so just open your book and put out the pencil and get ready for completing this exercise. Okay students, just see the exercise second. What is the first question, students? Just see, this is your first question. What is written here? This side, it is already filled, students. First question you will not complete, it is already filled in your book. Okay, this side under the sedentary. Okay, there are two options, below or under. Okay, we use the word, we use the preposition under. Just see exercise first. They sat under the shady tree. There are two options, below and under. Under is the most suitable, appropriate option. Therefore we will fill the word under in the given blanks. Okay students, come to the next question. Question number second. First one is already done in the book, so we will discuss the exercise second. Sorry, question number second. Exercise second and question number second. You see, it is written question. I am afraid. A-F-R-A-I-D. I am afraid. Blank is given there, and stray dogs. S-T-R-A-Y. Stray dogs. Okay students, this is your question, and there are two options, from and of. There are two options written, from and of. Okay students, just see, I am afraid of. Dear students, we use the preposition of with this word, afraid, afraid of. Okay, so what would be the correct preposition? Of. Okay, I am afraid of stray dogs. Dear students, that is plural, that is written in plural. Okay, just see, I am afraid of stray dogs. Okay students, you can learn these preposition, the use of preposition, by doing practice. Okay, in the next class you will also read these topics. You will find this topic in class. You can find these topics, that is in class 3rd, in class 4, in class 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is so important, very much important topic for you. Just say students, I am afraid of stray dogs. In this sentence, in this blank, we will use the preposition of. Okay, come to the next question. Question number 3rd. What is question number 3rd? Just see, a beautiful vase. A beautiful vase. Vase means here students pot. Okay, just see, vase was kept. Just see, a beautiful vase was kept. Blank is given. The corner of the the room. Okay students, this is your question and it is written here in on. There are preposition in and on. Just see, a beautiful vase was kept on or in. We have to choose. Just see, in the corner. Okay, just see, a beautiful vase was kept in the corner of the room. You will fill the article, you will fill the preposition in. Okay, a beautiful vase was kept in the corner of the room. Come to the next question. Question number 4. What is question number 4? Our class start. Our class start, S-T-A-R-T, class starts eight a.m. Okay, there are two options given that you have to choose only one, at in. It is written here at or in. Let's see, our class start at. Okay students, we use the preposition at for time. Okay, our class start at 8 a.m. Okay, not in a.m., in 8 a.m. Okay, we will use the preposition at in the given blanks. That is suitable and most appropriate. Let's see, our class starts at 8 a.m. Okay students, you will fill the preposition at in the given blanks. Okay, come to the next question. Question number 5. Let's see the question. What is question number 5? We celebrate Republic Day. We celebrate Republic Day. Blank is given the 26th of January. The 26th of January. Yes, see, we celebrate Republic Day on the 20 on. There are students, there are two options given. Okay, in on. Okay, just see what would be the most appropriate suitable. We celebrate Republic Day on. Okay students, we use the article, we use the preposition on to show the date. Okay, on 5th of January, on any date that you want to mention, and for time we use the preposition at. Just see, we celebrate Republic Day on the 20th of January. Okay students, just fill the preposition on in the given blank. Okay, come to the next question. Question number 6. What is question number 6? Just see students, question number 6, what is given? What is the time blank is given your watch. WATCH. Okay, this is your sentence. You see, what is the time? Yes students, there are two blank, there are two options, by, at. We have to select only one, by or at. Okay, what would be the most appropriate, dear students, for time? Just see, what is the time? We will always say by your watch, not in your watch, not at your watch. Okay, by your watch. Dear students, the preposition by is the most suitable appropriate option. Okay, what is the time by your watch? Okay, we do not ask, we should not ask that what is the time in your watch. We should ask that what is the time by your watch. Okay students, so just fill the preposition by in the given blank. Okay students, come to the next question. Dear students, in the first already given in your book, in the second blank you will fill the preposition of, in the third blank you will fill the preposition in the fourth blank you will fill the preposition at, in the fifth blank you will fill the preposition on, in the sixth blank you will fill the preposition by. Okay students, I hope that you all have written, therefore I am going to erase it. Now we will discuss the question number 7. Okay students, just see what is question number 7. Just see the next question. Question number 7. We sat. We sat. Blank is there. The pool of fresh water. The pool of fresh water. Okay students, this is your question. Just see the question. We sat. We sat, blank is there, the pool of fresh water. Okay, beside, under. There are two options, beside and under. We have to choose only one to fill in the blank. Okay students, these two options are given. Just see. We sat beside the pool or under the pool. Dear students, beside is the most appropriate option. Okay, we cannot sit under the pool, so beside the pool. Just see, we sat beside the pool of the fresh water. Okay, come to the next question. Student, turn the page of your book. Just see, come to the next page, page number 37. What is the question number 8? Grandma grandfather, it is written students. Grandfather has been sick. Has been sick. Dear students, I am going to erase this option. There is no need to use to write. It is already filled. I have filled already. We sat beside the pool of fresh water. Okay, come to the next. Grandfather has been sick. Blank is there. And many years. Many years. Just see it students. There are two options. Since, for, S-I-N-C-E, or for. Just see students, grandfather has been sick. For or since. Yes students, we have, you should know that we use the preposition since for certain time, for fixed time. Okay, निश्चित समय के लिए since का प्रयोग करते हैं और अनिश्चित समय के लिए for का यूज करते हैं. Okay, so there is not fixed time. Many years it is written. That is not certain. From when? From where? Okay, from when? So we will fill the preposition since. Grandfather has been sick since many years. Since. Yes, students, we will fill the preposition since. S-I-N-C-E. S-I-N-C-E. Okay. Grandfather has been sick since many years. Okay, students. So just fill the preposition since in the given blank. Come to the next question. Question number 9. Just see, students, question number 9. What is given? Children are fond. F-O-N-D. There is a blank. Chocolates. Chocolates is written here. Chocolates. Okay. Just see. Children are fond. Blank is given. Chocolates. Dear students, it is written here with of. With or of. Just see. There are two prepositions given that you have to select only one to fill in the blank. Children are fond of. Dear students, you should always use the preposition of with the word fond. Okay? Fond with, that is not correct. Fond of. You will always use the preposition of with fond. Okay? Fond of is the correct option. Children are fond of chocolate. Fond of means shauqeen. Okay? Just see. Children are fond of chocolates. Okay, students, so just fill it in the given blank. Come to the next question. Question number 10. Question number 10. What is given here? My school is blank my house. It is written here, my house. H-O-U-S-E. Dear students, I am going to erase this option. That is no need of that. Just see. My house is blank. My house. H-O-U-S-E. Okay. What is option given? Near on. There are two prepositions given. You have to select only one. Just see. My school is on my house. No, that is wrong. It is not suitable. Okay. And near my house. Okay. My school is near my house. Dear students, you will fill the preposition near. Okay. The preposition near is the correct and most appropriate option to fill in the given blank. Okay, my school is near my house. Okay, students, so just fill the preposition near in the given blank. Okay, come to the next question. Question number 11. Just see the question number 11. What is given? They will go to Bangkok. They will go to Bangkok. Sorry, Bangkok. B-A-N-G-C-O-C-C-O-K. Sorry, K-O-K. Okay, they will go to Bangkok. Air. Blank. Then after air. A-I-R. There is preposition given by and with. Okay, by and with. You have to select only one. Okay, just see the question, students. By and with is given. They will go to Bangkok with air. No, by and air. By motorcycle, by bus. We use the article by for vehicles. Okay, just see here. They will go to Bangkok by there. Okay students, we will fill the preposition by. Okay, the preposition by is the most appropriate correct option. So we will fill the word by in the given blank. What would be the correct sentence? They will go to Bangkok by air. Okay students, so just fill it. Come to the next question. Let's see students, question number 12. What is question number 12? C is busy. C is busy. B-U-S-Y. C is busy with her work. With her work. Okay, this is your sentence. C is busy, blank is given, with her work. Dear students, there are two options, on and with. On and with. There are two options that we have to select only one to fill in the given blank. Okay, C is busy with her work. Okay. Sorry students, I have already written here. I have already filled the preposition. Okay, it is, we have to fill. Just see students, what is question? C is busy blank her work. We have to choose the preposition on or with. Yes students, the preposition with is the correct option. Okay, C is busy with her work. Okay students, so in this way, in the question number 7 we will fill the preposition beside. In the question number 8 we will fill the preposition since. In the question number 9 we will fill the preposition of. In the question number 10 we will fill the preposition near. In the question number 11 we will fill the preposition by. In the question number 12 we will fill the preposition with. Okay students, so that is not completed. In the next class we will discuss the other exercise, exercise 3rd, and the rest questions given in this exercise. Okay, the question number 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17 and 18, and exercise number 3rd. In the next class we will discuss all these things. Okay students, if you have any kind of doubts in this exercise, in exercise 2nd, you can ask on WhatsApp. Okay students, so that's all for today. Thank you.